Hey guys, iPhone U here from tectonics.webs.com. In today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to clean and speed up your computer with just one simple program. It's very easy and effective to use, and it's free. So the download link is down below in the description, and once you install it, go ahead and open it up. It's called CC Cleaner. It should look like this. And when you do open it up, it's like a Piriform program from the Piriform website, and it'll tell you what type of computer you have, like your RAM and all that. It's pretty cool. You have your cleaner, registry, tools, and options. So the cleaner is the main thing we're going to use here. You have Windows and applications, everything, well, not everything, but there's going to be a couple things selected by default, but you can unselect them if you don't want to delete that or clean it up. Now this includes like cookies, download history, stuff like that. So if you have a password save on a certain website, I would suggest uncheck everything under that web browser. And then you have a couple things here. So first of all, you will want to analyze it. It's just a little bit better to analyze it, and then it'll tell you what you're going to delete. So once you're done with that, it'll also tell you that you're going to get this amount removed. So in this case, I have 329 megabytes to be removed. Then you simply run the cleaner, and it'll ask you if you want to permanently delete the files. Don't worry guys, they're usually just these little errors that you don't need, or temporary files that, I don't know, you just get from different websites. So it's going to take a while when you do it like for the first time, or if you haven't done it in a while. So we're just going to wait here. And yeah. Alright, there we go. So 345 megabytes have been removed. It's pretty cool, and you will notice that there is a little bit of a speed difference if you haven't used it before. And then you have registry, which I don't use much and I would recommend not using, but you can scan for issues and fix them in your registry. So yeah, and then you can fix them if there is like some certain problem. You have tools such as, uninstalling a couple programs. It never really works correctly for me, but you guys can, I'm going to install this one. And you can delete it as well. So you have a lot more than just cleaning your computer. And yeah, you have options, which is the last little tab. Your settings, like you can add this and run it when your computer starts. And that's pretty much it, guys. Go ahead and check it out. It's called CC Cleaner. The download link is down below in the description. Don't forget to check out tectonics.webs.com. Also, comment, like, subscribe, and favorite the video, and I'll see you guys later. Bye.